This is Williamsburg, a trendy, artsy neighborhood in the heart of Brooklyn. I moved to New York at the start of the year, and with the change of place, I embraced a whole bunch of other changes. New office, new wardrobe, new lactose-free milk substitute, and a new laptop? I'm sure many of you know me as a Mac user, but a question I get a lot from you guys is, can you recommend a Windows laptop that can handle the rigors of content creation and gaming? So when Huawei sent me the Matebook 13 to try out and do a video on, I was up for the challenge. Like finding a new place, aesthetics is very important when shopping for new tech. After all, devices like your phone or laptop are things you'll spend plenty of time with, which is one of the reasons I didn't mind giving the Matebook 13 a try. Come on, look at it. Unlike many PC laptops out there, the Matebook 13 doesn't look generic. In fact, it's almost Apple-esque, understated but also sleek and sexy. From its classy dark gray matte finish to these shiny diamond-cut accents. It's pretty special. The slim bezels around the display are pretty great too. I also like how it doesn't feel like a 13-inch laptop, even if it is one. There's already way too much else I need to stuff in my backpack anyway, but look, it's just as big as my 12-inch iPad Pro. Which means, just like every other New Yorker, even if I have to walk a lot, carrying the Matebook 13 in my backpack won't be much of a burden. In fact, speaking of, its bundled fast charger isn't very big also. Plus, it can also charge my smartphone, so I only need to take one brick and one cable out with me. Before we dive in, let's get some of the basics out of the way. For me, that's surfing the internet, maybe typing, and watching movies. Any laptop will do internet surfing well, but I like the fact that it's a touchscreen. It's not a necessity, but I like to use it to scroll when I'm reading an article on the web. And is it just me, or sometimes when there's a button to press on the screen, it makes the most sense to tap on it instead of clicking it? Keyboard and trackpad feel good too. Not that I needed much adjusting. It was an easy transition from my MacBook Pro. Typing feels good, key presses feel satisfying. I wrote the entire script for this video on it with hardly any typos. When I want to kick back and watch some YouTube or Netflix, the screen is bright and the resolution is great. Colors are on point, and if you need to swap out a pair of headphones for the built-in speakers, those are sufficiently loud too. The test of a good laptop is one that can transition from work to play. I'd say night to day, but that doesn't really apply to me since I juggle between the two many times a day. Speaking of juggling, I can confirm that juggling multiple apps and multiple browser windows hasn't seemed to slow down my Matebook 13. But that shouldn't come as any surprise considering this laptop comes with high-end specs. What does surprise me is that for a $1,200 laptop, this model, you get a dedicated graphics card. Basically, this means that if you're like me and edit photos and videos and/or play games on your laptop, you're going to get better performance. I use Photoshop mostly to edit photos that I use on articles I write for GadgetMatch.com or for my Instagram account. I also use it to create YouTube thumbnails. No hiccups here. Video editing is another thing I do a lot for work. These days, I'll do a basic cut-to-cut edit before sending it over to my producers for polishing. The Matebook 13 can handle basic video editing on Premiere. For the type of editing that I do, it does a good job managing. Export times are reasonable also. I reckon if your workflow includes multiple layers, animations, color grading, maybe some After Effects, then you'll definitely be happier stepping up to a more powerful machine. The same can be said about gaming. I rediscovered my Minecraft addiction, spending hours mining for resources and renovating my cottage by the lake. The Matebook 13 took it like a champ. Fortnite plays surprisingly well also. Graphics were smooth and buttery on medium settings. With this device, I truly can work and play from anywhere. This experience has taught me two things. First, you don't always need a top-of-the-line machine to make you happy. Sometimes a more affordable option can do everything that you need to. And second, never be afraid to try something new. Like my move to New York, trying out a notebook PC like the Matebook 13 might at first seem intimidating, but with the unknown comes something fresh, with a whole lot to offer. We've got a whole lot of videos like this one coming your way, so to make sure you don't miss any of them, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so that you get notified as soon as we post a new video, follow us on social media for all the fun stuff, and as always, make GadgetMatch.com your daily habit. I'm Michael Josh. Thanks for dropping by.